How to fix Instagram when it says couldn't refresh feed on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, open settings, scroll all the way down until you find battery. Now make sure power saving mode is disabled. If you found it like that, click on it and that's it. Now let's move to the next step. Go back, turn off your Wi-Fi, close all the applications in the background, also Instagram, and then open Instagram and turn it on again. And if that doesn't fix it, now restart your phone and try again. And if that also doesn't fix it, now make sure your Instagram is updated, and then if you can't find any update, just click on install and install it again. And that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.